Easy to install. No cutting, no splicing. This trailer wiring harness kit plugs into existing factory wiring on your vehicle and equips it with a standard, rear 4-pin trailer wiring connector for plugging in and towing a trailer. Standard connector. This plug-in 4-flat trailer wiring can be used to connect trailer tail lights, brake signal lights and turn signals. 4-way trailer light wiring is popular on a wide variety of trailers, adding versatile towing options for your vehicle. Vehicle specific. This aftermarket, vehicle trailer wiring harness is designed for select years of the Honda Odyssey, factory tow package required. Reliable power. This 4-way trailer wiring harness is built with surface mount technology. This type of circuitry generates less heat, optimal light intensity and durable performance. Dust cover. To promote long-lasting use and weather resistance, this 4-pole trailer lighting wire harness comes with a rubber dust cover. It easily fits onto the 4-way flat connector when not in use, protecting it against the outdoor elements. CURT custom wiring connectors are the easiest way to outfit your vehicle with a CURT trailer wiring connection. They are built with some of the most advanced technology in the industry, and each one is custom fitted to work with a specific make and model. Some automotive manufacturers install a special socket on the vehicle to be used for vehicle-to-trailer wiring. Although this special socket is not equipped on every vehicle, a CURT custom wiring connector, also called a T-connector, utilizes the socket for simple, stress-free installation. Rather than requiring you to cut, splice and solder into your vehicle's wiring system, the custom wiring connector uses a single OEM-compatible plug and instantly provides a standard, universal vehicle-to-trailer wiring connection, typically in the form of 4-way flat. All CURT custom wiring connectors are made vehicle-specific for the easiest possible installation and the best fit. This particular plug-in connector provides a 4-way flat socket and is designed to be a custom wiring option for certain years of the Honda Odyssey, factory tow package required. To verify your vehicle compatibility, see application info. It comes with all necessary hardware to establish a solid connection. It also comes with a dust cover to keep the connector socket clean when not in use. To ensure long-lasting reliability, all CURT custom wiring connectors are thoroughly tested for optimal functionality. Stress is the last thing you should feel when towing a trailer. Whether you're hauling your RV to that favorite camping destination, your ATVs up to the hunting grounds or your fishing boat to the new hidden hotspot. At CURT, we think your towing equipment should add to the enjoyment of your experience, not detract from it. Top reviews from the United States. Flexible install. Worked great. I drilled a hole in the smaller top shelf on the left side of the trunk and then fished the wire through. Now I can store the wire on that shelf until needed.